Welcome to J&J's test video of S5 CE212, an 05 Corvette. As you can see, 44,159. Got a good heater control, got a good deck, DVD player, navigation works. Windows work. That's a little miss. I think it's somewhere in the half the body's ripped off over on this side, but we'll scope it out. Missing the rear. It's just an idle miss, so it'd be all right. Power seats work, AC works. This window works. Big dollars now. That one over there works in the door, but you can't see it. Mirrors work. All right, and that's it. Thank you for watching.